Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to tell you an amazing trick to download any website source code from the internet, including all the functionalities and CSS. You can easily copy any website's design and put your own data with minimal effort. For a website designer, it's quite an amazing trick. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. First of all, go to Google Chrome and type save all resource. Basically, it's a Chrome extension which helps you download complete source code of a website. Open it and click on add to Chrome, and that's it. You can see it is installed. Now let's move to copy a site. Open any random site for a try. Let's say Chukthai Lab. We have opened a random website here. There are many functionalities in this website. For instance, this website has a slider, and at the bottom there is a booking form. To copy this website, right click on the page and select inspect. Then from here click on the arrow and go to resource saver. Make sure to select all checkboxes so that you can download each and everything of website, including every CSS and JavaScript element. We have downloaded the complete resource code of the website. Extract it and open it with Visual Studio Code. Go to index file and open it with live server. And here it is. The site is just as the real one. Everything, the CSS, JavaScript functionalities are just like the real website we have copied. We have got the complete source code so you can change it as you like. So guys, it was the trick to completely download the source code of a website in the easiest way within just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If you need any kind of help or if you have any question, then you can ask me in comment section. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thanks again and goodbye.